In this video, we will understand about the refund scenario in loan. I am searching a borrower here. Then I click loan, select the product scheme, enter the principal amount and click save. Loan 25 is created. I search the loan. Okay, in installment we can see the amount per installment 2067. Hence I receive this amount, and the next amount I receive 4000. So customer paid excess amount for second installment, which we can see here. So this amount of 1933 I want to refund. We'll have to make sure that after we receive the excess amount, the next entry has to be refund before we are receiving the next entry, so that whatever the ledgers like the principal or income refund will get settled automatically. So before I am refunding, I can explain the ledgers here. Here we can see interest income 1200. We should be ideally 800 for 2 installments. So now I make an entry here, refund, and yes. So the first impact on installment is that only 2 installments received. In transaction, the entry is refund entry, and in summary I can say that the refund income is 400 on the debit side, whereas the interest income on the credit side of 1200. Thank you for watching Jainam Software. Have a great day.